Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi Gavai, an interior designer working at BVM in Seoul. Today I'm here to showcase our recently completed interior design project for Colonel Arvind Mohite and Mrs. Nita Mohite. The house is located in a society called Arihant Royalty. So basically, Mr. Arvind sir is from army background. They served in the army for 22 years. After retirement, he moved to Bombay for a corporate job, where he lived for 16 years. Originally, he was from Pune and eventually he moved to Pune. Client wanted their house in classical theme, so we have designed accordingly. So let's see how it turned out.
As you enter, the first thing you'll notice is the wall with the nameplate, which has been enhanced with wooden texture planks. These planks are finished with Duco paint, giving them a sleek and polished appearance. Adjacent to this, on the side wall is a customized wallpaper that reflects the client's personal taste. To enhance the shoe rack area, opposite the nameplate wall, we install wooden PVC colored rafter. These rafters starts from behind the shoe rack and extended all the way up to the ceiling. Approaching the main door, you'll notice its elegant grey and golden color scheme. The door is finished with Duco paint. This combination of color and finish gives the door a classic and timeless appearance. In the foyer area, an antique wooden craft table serves as a focal point. The back wall behind this table features intricate decorative molding. In the common passage area, a sleek floating console enhances the space's modern aesthetic. The console is made with charcoal sheet. A clear glass on top adds a touch of elegance and ensures the console maintains functional and easy to clean. As we move towards the living area, the classical theme becomes evident. This chair is customized with fabric chosen by ma'am. Adjacent to this, a large peacock painting selected by the client enhances the corner's visual appeal. On the sofa back wall, there is a 3D MDF panel that has been CNC cut. This panel is finished with Duco paint, giving it a smooth and polished look. The 3D design suggested by the client adds depth and texture to the wall, making it a standout feature in the living area. And on the wall behind the designer couch, a bevel mirror has been fixed. Above the mirror, a design element has been selected to match the overall theme, enhancing the room's aesthetic. The steps that lead to the terrace are made in pine wood and finished with the selected polish, giving them a natural and warm appearance. To enhance durability and aesthetics, granite has been laid on the top of the wooden steps. Entering in the master bedroom, the first thing you notice is the luxurious king-size pull-out bed. The headboard is upholstered in soft leather fabric, adding a touch of elegance and comfort. The side tables are designed with safety in mind. Their corners are smoothly curved to avoid any accidental bumps. The room is beautifully illuminated by decorative lights. The design of the TV unit is very minimalistic, with floating drawers and a small back panel. The drawers are finished with charcoal sheet, providing a modern and sophisticated look. Adjacent to the TV unit is a openable wardrobe, with copper finish handles, and wardrobe shutters are also covered in a charcoal sheet. The false ceiling and lighting in the room are designed to be simple. In the area near the washroom, storage solutions have been implemented to meet the client's specific need. Additionally, a design space for hanging clothes has been incorporated. Entering to the guest bedroom, you will notice that the room is relatively small. To maximize space and functionality, a sofa cum bed has been installed. Furnitures serve as a comfortable sofa during the day and can be easily pulled out to become a bed when needed. The floating study table, creating a clean and uncluttered workspace. Above the table, there is an overhead storage unit with a profile shutter. The design of the TV unit is very minimalistic with floating drawers and a small back panel. This is our dining area cum bar unit area. This area is thoughtfully designed to create two distinct zones within the same space. The dining area and bar area are separated, each with its own unique atmosphere. The back wall of the tall table is painted with charcoal paint, allowing you to write any thoughts or message on it. The crockery unit is designed with broad grooves which are finished in copper color. The top of the unit is covered with granite. Adjacent to this, the bar unit and counter which features a wooden frame. Inside the frame, clear glass is fitted, giving the bar a sleek and modern look. In this room, the mandir and office area have been combined. The mandir is crafted from wood with detailed carving. The client's requirement was for a low height mandir as they often sit to perform their prayers. The mandir's back wall finished with texture paint. In the corner of combined mandir and office area, a dedicated workstation has been designed. In the parents' bedroom, we have given a modern look. A sleek ledge is placed on one side of the bed. On the opposite side of the bed, a dressing unit with a side table complements a modern aesthetic. A study table is also included in this room, paired with an openable wardrobe for convenience. Additionally, behind the door, a previously unused wall niche has been transformed into extra storage space with a newly installed wardrobe. The design of the TV units throughout the house is uniform, featuring small floating drawers. The floating drawers provides a modern and clean aesthetic while offering practical storage solution. This is the storeroom where we have made a large wardrobe for storage. This large wardrobe is ideal for organizing and storing a various of items, helping to keep the room tidy and clutter-free. Coming towards the kitchen boasts a classical design theme with a rich and dark color palette that adds a timeless elegance to the space. It was fully machine pressed and the installation was carried out on the site, allowing for customization and adjustment to fit the space perfectly.
Hello, I am Colonel Arvind Mohite. After serving in the army for about 23 years, I opted for premature retirement and I commenced my second corporate career in Mumbai city. Last about 16 years we continued in Mumbai city and we were settled at Thane. However, as I was closer to my retirement age, we decided to move to Pune, that is our hometown, and then began the search for the new house. We wanted a house in the camp area, and to our good luck we came across a beautiful penthouse at Vanavdi with a scenic, beautiful view all around. We quickly closed the deal, but the challenge was making it interiors, as the interiors were not up to the desired level, and then began the second search for a suitable interior designers. Again, we were very lucky. One of our family friends and ex-client of our interior designer BVM installed, they gave a reference of BVM and we landed up in the BVM office. First visit to BVM office was absolutely mesmerizing, meeting Vishal, Pooja and entire team. Their office was so impressive and the way they explained us entire methodology of how the interior work happens was a learning and a joy for us. We quickly finalized and the work commenced. BVM has entirely done up this house. They designed it, planned it, helped us in procuring the material, saving the cost, saving the times, and have given countless advices on many other internal issues which were not even in their scope, down to even purchasing of the soft furnishings and everything. I found BVM exceptionally professional, dedicated team. There have been couple of changes as usual in our designs or in our thinking. At times you have to make certain changes in certain things which were already executed, but they did it very, very happily. The work continued almost for more than a year. For some internal delays, monsoons, this being upper level house, there were some issues with leakages. But they helped us in everything. Highly professional, dedicated, sporting and a supportive team. They advised us till end. They held our hand till end, till we settled down and all. We are extremely happy we are now settled down in our own house. We are extremely happy and enjoying our stay. And all our thanks to the BVM team for helping us in creating this beautiful marvel. Thank you so much, and I wish BVM all the very best ahead. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Neeta Mohite. I am a working woman working with TCS. This house was built with a lot of passion, and Pooja really helped us in building this house. If you are seeing the chair in which I am sitting, this was designed by the BVM team. BVM team was excellent. This house was very complicated actually. It had a upper floor. It is a penthouse which had a staircase which is towards my right, and then the complete house I wanted in some theme which would be Indian also and Western also. So we created this entire house with a lot of passion. The glass work on the staircase, which you will see in the video somewhere, is been made with the help of BVM. And literally we had gone to many places, many vendors. If you have seen the mandir which has been created, the puja room which is there, is really made. Each and every pillar was thought, and then accordingly we made it. Thank you so much BVM, entire effort. I mean, I really applaud for all your effort which has been brought in here. I thanks Vishal also, because first time I met Vishal and then he introduced me to Pooja. Pooja was very, very passionate, and literally sometimes, I was angry also sometimes, because since I was working, I had to work, I had to come home and then, go for a selection. So sometimes if she was late, I used to howl at her. So all this thing was taken very nicely, and then finally we built this house which has come out very well. Thank you so much BVM. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you, Pooja. Thanks.
As we wrap up this stunningly designed house tour, I wanted to extend my heartfelt thanks to each and everyone who have been a part of this journey. First and foremost, I wanted to extend my appreciation to our wonderful client for entrusting us with their vision and allowing us the opportunity to bring their dream to life. I also wanted to extend my appreciation to our vendors who have helped transform our vision to reality. Last but not least, I wanted to thank our viewers and supporters for following us throughout this journey. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.